Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Kristin and I love to have you part of the family, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. Today is going to actually be my last final baby update. So I think I've done like one of these before, so it's like super late on this train, but I thought I'd go ahead and update you guys because it is the final days of me being pregnant. And yeah, if you guys want to know more about my pregnancy, I'll link a playlist up above on a card so you guys can go watch more of my baby hauls and stuff like that. And if you want to know more about my pregnancy and where I'm at right now, then just keep on watching. So currently I am 38 weeks this Friday, and so in 2 days I'll be 39 weeks if I can do math. I'll be 39 weeks, and this Friday is really exciting because for one, it's my birthday, and two, I'm having a C-section, so my baby will be here on my birthday, and I'm super excited for that. I talked about it a little bit in my last baby update, but if you guys don't already know, I did schedule a C-section with my first baby. I had to have a emergency C-section, so with this baby it was really hard for me to decide if I wanted to go ahead and try to, deliver or have a C-section. So it was a really hard decision, but it came down to just like me praying a lot about it, talking to my family about it, getting advice. I thought a lot about it. I prayed a lot about it. I didn't actually make a decision until like maybe a few weeks ago that I was going to have a C-section. I'm really happy, but like so far that I did make that decision. I feel very like safe with it, I guess, if that makes sense. I didn't go through normal delivery the first time, so I kind of know what to expect in the healing process and like what all goes into having a C-section. So I feel like I kind of know what's going on and what's going to happen and everything like that. So I feel somewhat prepared because I already know what's going to happen, where the other way I kind of didn't know because I never experienced that. I don't know why I always run out of breath when I talk. So that's where I'm at right now. So this Friday I'll be 39 weeks and I'll be having my little baby girl. Her name's Odette, and I'm so excited. I am still nervous, and I think my family's nervous for me too, but I think I'm more prepared this time around since it is like a scheduled C-section, that I have a couple things set up that, I don't have to get up and down so much, and like the healing process, I'm guessing hopefully will be a little bit better, and I'll know a little bit more about it, how to take care of myself, so I can heal quicker. But yeah, I'm super excited. It is going to be on my birthday, and actually when this video goes up, so Wednesday, Friday, I'm going to have a bonus video of my makeup. So if you like my makeup and you want to see it, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button so you can see this on Friday. Usually I don't post on Fridays. Usually I only post on Wednesdays and Sundays right now, but I thought I'd go ahead and do a bonus video since it is going to be my birthday. A little bit more about my pregnancy is lately I've been feeling like a lot of pressure, which I think is like totally normal. With my first baby, I just would not dilate for like, I was in labor for 15.5 hours and I didn't dilate at all, and her head started to swell, so we had to do a emergency C-section, and like it happened so quick that I was like freaking out. My mom couldn't be in the room. There was only one person that could be in the room, so it was a lot to handle, plus I was pretty young. I mean, I was 20 whenever I had her. So yeah, I'm now going to be 25 exactly when I have my second daughter, so it's going to be really fun, and I'm just really excited about it. I can't wait to meet her. We've been doing like guesses on like her weight and how tall she's going to be and stuff like that. In one of my last ultrasounds, or the most recent ultrasound that I went to, you could see some hair, so she's going to have like hair when she comes out, so I'm really excited. Annabelle had really dark like black hair like mine. Like this is my natural like hair color, just like jet black, and then as she got older it turned really light, so it's like a light brown right now. So her eyes are really light. They're like a blue-green, and she has really light hair, and she has very fair skin, so I feel like she doesn't really look like me, but then sometimes she like totally reminds me of myself. So it's just funny how different like they are from yourself, like from you, I guess, and then they just like also remind you of yourself. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm really excited. Symptoms lately is that with my first baby, I didn't have really any cravings, and I don't really now. I don't have anything specific that like I crave and I want or anything. It's actually been kind of the opposite. Some days I'll go like a day with like just eating once a day. I know that's not like necessarily the best thing, but like I'll get like so sick to my stomach that I just like don't want to eat, and like nothing sounds good. In the beginning of my pregnancy, I had really bad morning sickness, and so now I feel like I'm like back to that point again where I feel kind of like nauseous and stuff. So I've been like drinking like pickle juice. I've been drinking pickle juice a lot, and I get a lot of heartburn, so pickle juice helps with that too. Well, it helps me, and I've like seen on the internet that it helps like other moms and stuff like that. So if you haven't tried pickle juice for like your upset stomach or like nausea or anything like that, definitely try it out. I didn't know it was even a thing until like I kind of craved it whenever I was in the beginning parts of my pregnancy, but it actually really does help and work, I think anyways. So yeah, the only other thing I feel like I like really crave is cereal, and like the other day I bought like 10 boxes of cereal, like different cereals that I just like wanted to eat, and I think I've gone through like a whole gallon of milk, so it's probably not good. The last time I had a ultrasound was I think about a month ago, and she was measuring 6 pounds 2 ounces, I believe. I think that's what it was. She was like on the average like normal side, but still a little bit higher. I think my doctor said that the babies like end up growing really fast, like really rapidly at the end. So she said that I'm probably just gonna have big babies, and that's just how it is. I actually only gained 8 pounds with this pregnancy, which is really cool, because I really didn't want to gain any more weight than I like already had on me. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited about having her and meeting her and just getting to see what she looks like, and I'm just like so excited. I'm wondering if she's gonna have like colored eyes like Annabelle does, because me and my husband actually have like black brown eyes, so I don't even know where she got her eyes from. It must have skipped like a generation, that's what everybody says. So I'm thinking that. I'm like so excited to meet her. I wonder if she is gonna have like red hair. My husband has red hair, so I'm praying she has red hair and like colored eyes. That would be so pretty. So I'm just like, I'm so excited. As far as anything else, like it's just been like a lot of pressure, which with my first baby I feel like I didn't have. Like I'm having a lot more symptoms with this second pregnancy than I had with my first pregnancy. So that's like the major difference, is like everything that they say you're gonna experience and feel, I'm feeling it. So that's definitely different. I'm trying to make it 2 more days till my birthday to have her. So I have their nursery kind of like, well, the room slash nursery all set up. It's not quite finished, but if you guys do want to see a like nursery or girls room tour kind of thing, room tour, let me know, because I kind of want to do one, but then I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. I like how their room is turning out so far, so I'm really excited. I have too many clothes, too much stuff. I definitely think I'm forgetting something, and I'm kind of freaking out. At the same time, I'm not. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have a baby. So it's kind of like weird. I'm in the in-between right now, but I think tomorrow I'm definitely gonna be freaking out, because tomorrow's Thursday and I am just going to be like, I'm having a baby. Like, it's for real. So if you guys have any suggestions or advice or anything like that on how you recovered from a C-section or anything like that, definitely leave me some suggestions and advice down below so I can follow that and kind of incorporate it into my routine so I do heal a little bit faster. And I appreciate any prayers that you can send my way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if this was anything entertaining, but thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more baby stuff, I will link a card so you guys can see more baby and me like kind of things. And I have a lot more videos coming as far as like the baby and her clothes and another baby haul and all that stuff, so make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey,